Herbal pestos are one of my favorite ways of ingesting plant medicine. So here we've got a wonderful example of a food medicine. So you already know pesto is delicious, but it's also really nutritious. So we can use all different kinds of nuts in our herbal pestos, and nuts are such a wonderful source of high quality fats, essential fatty acids, and protein. Then we add garlic, which is antimicrobial and antioxidant, helps protect against cancer and also supports our cardiovascular system. So in the early spring, you might want to make a pesto out of raw chickweed or violet. And then as the season progresses, if you know some of your wild greens like stinging nettle or lamb's quarters or wild amaranth, you can steam those and add them to your pesto. So you're making sort of a steamed green pesto. And then as the season progresses, you can do more lemon balm and the holy basil and basil. Now, you want to make sure that you've got tender leaves. So with this lemon balm, I'm going to pick the leaves from the fibrous stem. And if you just have like the tops in the early spring, the plants are going to be really tender, and you can just go with the scissors through a lemon balm plant and just give it a little haircut. It'll grow right back. Now you can freeze your pestos in ice cube containers. I like to use those large silicone ones. And then you can thaw them out if you want to make like a pasta dish with the pesto, or I'll often thaw out a cube and add it to goat cheese, swirl it in, and then give it a dusting of toasted nuts chopped finely or coarsely ground black pepper. All right, now I've got my heap of destemmed lemon balm leaves, and I just have to stick my nose in them. Oh, so good. And then you can serve it fresh. You can store this in the refrigerator for 4 days, or you can freeze it, as I mentioned before. And I really love to just take this and mix it with a little bit of goat cheese or non-dairy cheese, and then dip with crackers or carrots or celery. Super yummy. So I hope you enjoy making pestos from your garden and experiment and write down your recipes and share them with other folks and make them time-honored traditions in your family and community.